Hi. I am giving you a sad face because I have to tell you that Hirts had a 50% off sale. And I indulged. So let's get into it. I'm hoping that, one, I want to make sure my water doesn't spill. I'm hoping that this can hold me for a while because this was way more money than I expected to spend. The 3 heat packs that I ordered, which are empty. Maybe they're not, I don't know. Part 1. Seeds. I got 1 pack of seeds, and I just want to tell you really quickly, that looks really a lot like my handwriting. So whoever's at Hirts writing, I think we're twins, or at least handwriting twins. These are heliotrope seeds. They are super, super duper duper tiny. And these are marine heliotropes. FYI, I'm not the best seed planter. That might be because of my ADHD, that I have really a lot of difficulty, keeping track of that kind of stuff. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, back to this. Instructions. Oh, I don't know which one I want first. Okay. And I'm filming this in January, so in upstate New York, it is in the 30s Fahrenheit. These do not feel cold. They feel a little bit cold, actually, but not freezing. So I think that whatever heat packs were in there were doing their jobs. This is my Tahitian Gardenia plant. I have no idea if I'm going to be able to keep this thing alive since this is a tropical plant, but when I was running a soap and skincare company, one of my favorite scents was the Tahitian Gardenia. And so when I saw that Hirts had this, I was so happy. Again, I don't know if this is going to last up here, especially now that it's January, but give it a shot and we'll see what happens. It's also got little babies. Next. These, I was gonna say I'm not gonna open, but we're here to unbox, so I'm gonna show you. These are strawberry bare roots. I should say before we moved, I would plant and grow strawberries, but then we moved and couldn't do that anymore because my strawberries didn't make it. So I had to get a new set. And this is going to be terrible because I've lived in Rochester for 7 years now. I don't know how to pronounce this because 1, I don't know how to pronounce anything, and 2, some things here are pronounced very weird. Like there's a neighborhood called Charlotte, which is spelled Charlotte, and another area called Chile, which is pronounced Shilai. So I think this is Honioi. I'm sorry if I got that wrong. I should know better. Next. I'm always so nervous, please don't break anything. Oh, I think this is the Philodendron Pink Princess. As you see, it's actually pretty white. I don't see a lot of pink on it. Oh, this one has a little bit of pink. And I think that once it settles in, that pink should really come out more. But right now it just kind of looks like a white fusion Calathea, although it is not. I know I didn't order another one of those, although I considered it. Hello, my love. Yeah, you're a little bit cold. Not too bad. Ah, here are the heat packs. They have glued them onto the box, which is smart. Well played, Hirts Garden. Next. I can't wait to clean up my floor after this. This is the Philodendron Prince Orange. And he's pretty wet right now, so you can't see, but the way I can tell is that this is orange. And it's a interesting colored plant, but it's not usually a premium priced interesting colored plant. So I've wanted one of these for a while and just never got around to it until there was a 50% off sale. And even when I was checking out, I was like, do I really want this? Yes, I've wanted this for years. Get the stupid plant, Megan. Guys, also, by the way, I don't know where I'm gonna put all these. Next. I have expanded my Calathea collection with this. I got a lot of like pink plants this time. I guess I'm in a pink mood. I don't know. And this is actually a white star Calathea, but if you see, it has really, despite it being called white star, it has pink all over it. It's just so cool. And I think I'm a good Calathea plant parent. I'm having a little bit of trouble with my rattlesnake right now, but otherwise I think I've been able to keep most of my Calatheas going. So hopefully this will be a permanent addition to the collection. Next, I told you, I went crazy. We're only halfway through. Strap in. Ah, this one is an outdoor plant. This is a creeping phlox. Amazing grace, and I got it because I have ADHD and terrible at weeding my mulched areas. So instead, let's meet in the middle and let's put some carpeting flowers around to help ease that burden. Next. 'Tis a wee little baby. You, who are you? Oh yes, this is his name, I forget. I will put it right here, but once it blooms, or I should say once it stabilizes, it is a super beautiful bright purple plant. I would love to have a packing list. Oh well, beggars can't be choosers. I mean, of course I appreciate that they're very careful and thorough about packaging, but how much cellophane do you think they go through? Probably a lot, right? Cool. Next. Come on, come say hi. This is a 3-pack. What did I get a 3-pack of? I remember. I got a 3-pack of carnivorous plants. Oh, I'm so happy. Pitcher plant. I forget what that's called. And my baby, my Venus flytrap. Truth be told, I don't do great with these. I know. Why do I keep buying them if I don't do great with them? Because I love them. I can't help it. You're wonderful. I love you. Please stay alive. I know you're gonna winter over right now, so that's good news for me. Maybe I can study more on how to actually keep these alive then. Or maybe it'll eat some of the stupid gnats that are around. By the way, I don't know if my dinosaur necklace is correct. If the head's upside down or something and it's driving you crazy, I apologize. Because that would drive me crazy. But I can't see it. Next, we've got maybe 5 or 6 more. So I had one of these before and I loved it so much. It makes these most gorgeous pink, like really light pink striped leaves. And I don't know what happened. I think that I got pretty neglectful when we were moving and killed it. And I forgot about it actually. And when we went to Thanksgiving at my in-laws in Ohio, I saw that my stepmother-in-law had one that I had given her a cutting from my original. And I don't know why I just forgot to ask her if I could cut off a piece of the cutting. So, but that's okay. Hirts had a 50% off sale, so I just bought another one. Which means that there's another guy in here that is really similar. This is a big one. By the way, do you like my new studio setup? I'm pretty excited about how well it's turned out. Though I might have to think about getting the lighting to work better for when I want to show you up close plants. We'll see. Just says tropical plant care. What did I buy? What did I buy? Are you? You're not my pink princess. What are you? You see, like all of these guys are pretty moist, so they're gonna have to do some drying out and thinking about what they've done. Just kidding. Now this is similar to the Nanook, but is much smaller, and I was debating on if I really needed this and the Nanook, but it was just so cute. And my American Express was like, of course you should get that. That's a great idea. Home stretch, guys. 2 to go. Haha. Who are you? This is another one that I don't know if it's going to work here, but I'm willing to give it a shot if it's willing to try. And that is Confederate Jasmine. These are, I love the smell of jasmine, and Truth be told, Confederate jasmine, I believe, is not a true jasmine. You know, like a king cobra is not a true cobra. But you know what? It's close enough for me that it will be welcomed into my home. I'm not gonna pull the tape off of it just yet. Also, I'm gonna turn it this way so it doesn't smack me in the face. Last but not least, it's a twofer. Yes, yes, the Earth Star Cryptanthus. Cryptanthus? If you've been on my channel, you know I don't know how to pronounce things, and if you don't either, I give you permission to pronounce it however you want. Again, this is another one that hopefully, if it does well, will thrive and become a beautiful, bright pink, almost like a melon pink plant. I didn't order 2 of them. I got 2 of them. My bad. I forgot I ordered a pink one and a magenta one. And this one, I can see the difference. So this one, when it grows up, will be, I mean, even right now, it's really cool. And it's actually, I don't know if you've ever touched one of these, but its leaves are very like plasticky almost. They have a very weird texture to them that feels sort of fake, as opposed to like a philodendron or something. I don't know, it's a weird feeling to it, but I really love them. And I believe these are actually my first, but from what I was looking at, they are super hardy and fairly idiot proof. You and I will check in maybe a month or so down the line and see how this is all doing. So that's it. That is my amazing haul from Hirts Gardens. See you in the next video.